friends, Running Kimono here. So we have another piping hot week over at Walgreens. So it's hot outside and the deals are equally as hot in the store. So these deals in today's video, we are in the store looking around with the register rewards and all that jazz and making deals happen. And 53-cent Dove and 60-cent Kisses, do I have your attention? If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, really helps out me and the channel if you could just take a second and like the video. Okay, so last week we had a calamity of errors on Sunday where digital coupons were not coming off and register rewards were not printing. This morning my digital coupons came off. However, the register reward machine at this one store, it hasn't been working for 2 weeks. So I think it might be just isolated to my location. But just to be smart on your side, I would definitely, just ask the cashier, are the register rewards printing? That's a simple yes or no answer. And even though that green light's on, it's just not printing for whatever reason at this one location. It is what it is. So definitely, if your register rewards don't print, you can always get in touch with the Catalina company. I'll link a video at the very end of this one on how to do that. Or alternatively, ask a manager. They can sometimes credit you Walgreens cash if the register rewards aren't printing, and they usually have an idea if it's not working or not. You can also go shopping later in the week. And wherever you're shopping this morning, if you could share in the comments, say you're in Houston, Texas, and at 10 a.m. it was working for you, just share with other shoppers to let us know, hey, it's working, or hey, it's not working for you in your area. This is altogether too much for you. I would also recommend to maybe just wait for the Monday curbside video, and I'll just cook up some deals that way where you can just do a curbside pickup so you don't have to worry about register rewards. And I really encourage you guys to share in the comments of this video and read in the comments of the video what is and is not working. This is one deal that 90% off Hershey's Kisses. I would run to the store and try and make it happen. So if you guys know, there's 2 summer aisles with the pool floaties and all that stuff for summertime. And these Hershey Kisses have been clearing out at various prices. This one says $1.49, but it's actually ringing up 90% off, so 60 cents a bag. It's always your mileage may vary with clearance, but if you've been seeing these tags with these candies, ask for a price check because at many stores they're ringing up 60 cents per bag. And it's the 9-ounce Hershey Kisses strawberry ice cream cone. These are going to go very quickly, so if this is your thing, definitely get in there today and find it. Now, this is the deal I would test out if you possibly can. Either the Colgate toothbrushes or the toothpaste priced at $4.50. It's a $4 register reward when you buy 2. This is going right till the end of the month. And we have this 4 off 2 digital coupon. Now we have this 4 off 2 coupon that started populating last week. It's a one-time use, so if you might have not used it, I would definitely test this out. Grabbing 2 of these for $9, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per brush. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And this is a good test. Is the digital coupon coming off? Is the register reward also printing? And those 2 questions you can also ask your cashier. So don't be shy to ask, because just to be smart, guys. Next super-duper deal is the 4 for $10 on these 22-ounce Dawn dish soaps. Oh my gosh. Just to show you the tag. So you know that $5 P&G register reward we were getting for all the Tide deals last week? Throw one of those in if it's still valid and make this deal happen. Look for these on the end caps. Look for them in the cleaning aisle. Look for them throughout the store. There might be some in the back. Ask a manager for some help if you can't find any on the floor. 4 of these is $10. It makes it $2.50 for a 22-ounce dish soap. This is a stock-up price and a non-booster deal if you're using your Walgreens cash. But what a tremendous deal. Let's just say you can only find 3 Dawn dish soaps. You could also mix and match other products that include these Febreze sprays. So you might have to get a bit creative, but there's nothing wrong with getting creative on a Sunday morning. Definitely those Dawn dish soaps got cleared last go around, so I would definitely be on the lookout for those. Another fantastic deal of the week is the Arm & Hammer liquid detergent for $1.99. I would definitely grab the 28 loaders. That include the one with the crystals or the oxy, and then the scent-free one. The other two in the middle are only 21 loads, and those are teeny tiny bottles. So definitely the extra 7 loads is the way to go. Another cheap deal is the buy one, get two for free on the Walgreens brand like zipper food storage bags. So it shakes it out at $2.79 to be 93 cents per 93 cents for a 20 count box of these bags. That is definitely a stock up price, so be on the lookout for those. Another fantastic deal I love this week is with the Scott toilet paper and paper towel. So for this little deal, guys, you're going to grab one of each, and it's going to look like this. So one toilet paper and one paper towel. So that is exactly 10 buckos. And you're going to load the store coupon, which is $1.25 off of each. So $2.50 will come off with that. And then we also have manufacturer coupons for both. Please make sure you press the plus sign, not like this dummy. We have $1 off of the toilet paper and $1 off of the paper towel. Load both of them. So two of these paper products is 10 bucks. And then we have $2.50 of store coupons coming off that I showed you, along with the $2 of digitals. You're going to pay $5.50 for the two, or $2.75 per paper product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But $5.50 for two of these paper products is definitely a stock up price. This is an item you can toss into your stockpile. It does not go bad, and it is fantastic. Now, if you just want to do this deal on its own, I'm just going to show it to you. It is with the Dove body wash, and this is a very cheap price. We haven't had this in a while. It's $7 each. When you buy two, you get back a $3 register reward, and then we have a 7 off of 2 digital coupon. This guy, go and load it. Load it right away. Two of these body washes is $14. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back one $3 register reward, making it $4 for the two, or $2 per Dove body wash. Hello, this is Christmas and your birthday mixed together for a $2 Dove body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, a common question a lot of you are going to have, I absolutely can't find that coupon. You're lying again. And to that, I say, okay. If you go to the flyer in the Walgreens app, so go to the savings folder where the coupons are, and then it'll say, your weekly flyer, and then type in the search bar Dove. It'll pop up the sale, and then see how below it says 7 off 2. You can add a plus to load the digital coupon there if you're not seeing it in your digital coupons folder. So I would recommend, just a good rule of thumb is to go into that flyer to load all the digital coupons you might not be able to find in your digital coupons folder. Now, I'm going to throw this deal in there, and if you look at the bottom right-hand corner, it says good through July the 27th. So this is on those P&G laundry care products that are $5.49. Buy 4 of them, get back a $5 register reward. You're not going to get 2 register rewards, only 1 this week. So just grabbing an assortment of them, and we have exactly $5 of digital coupons that are coming off these products. And definitely look that you're grabbing the right ones that are tagged at $5.49. Can't stress that enough. And open up the Walgreens app and scan the barcodes to ensure that your digital coupons are attaching as well. You don't want any funny business. So this is what my cart will look like: a liquid, a pods, some dryer sheets, and a Downy Calm. And then these are the digital coupons that are attaching. Obviously, if you used them last week, you can't use them a second time. But for the deal that I prepared for the $40 basket, if you don't want to get the razors, you could sub in this because it's $21.96, and the math will be mathing in a second. But if you wanted to do this deal on its own, here it is. For these laundry care products for $21.96, subtracting your digital coupons, you'll pay $16.96 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.96 for the 4, or $2.99 per laundry care product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you're doing it with a booster, you got to pay with your debit card, credit card, or cash bills for the balance. What is a booster? Awesome question. This is a booster. These are always your mileage may vary, but if you shop a lot at Walgreens, you tend to get this. So for this one, we have an 8-pack when you spend $40. So we're looking specifically at a $40 basket. For my basket, I have 3 of the Venus or Gillette disposable razors, 2 Dove, and then 2 Oral-B brushes. The Venus is buy one, get one 50% off. I have $3 digital coupons on each of these products, plus a $5 register reward when you purchase $15. So I have achieved that with picking up the 3 razors. And guys, I'm really going to encourage you to scan all the barcodes and look at all the prices of the razors, because every market, it might be a little bit more, it might be a little bit less. Say you're living in like New York City, Chicago, it might be a little bit less than what it is in rural Michigan. So just be very, very mindful that the math is mathing for this part. Alternatively, if you're like, hey, I'm really terrible with math, sub in the Tide deal. But I'm pretty sure a lot of you can figure this out. Anyhow, all of these have $3 digital coupons. That's $9 off. So this one's a little bit less out of pocket. Also going to toss in 2 of these Oral-B brushes for $3 each, and it's a $3 register reward when you buy 2. And here is the sticker, and then we have the 3 off 2 digital coupon as well. Make sure you have that guy loaded. And then the final item that we're grabbing is 2 of the Dove body washes. They are $7 a pop. And we have this 7 off 2, and it's also another $3 register reward when you buy 2 of these guys. Okay, so looking at the math here, I got my mix of 2 ladies Venus razors and the 1 men's Gillette. Scanned the ladies first and then the men's, so 1, 2, and then 3. That's $21.77. And then we have 2 of the Dove body washes for $14, and then 2 of the Oral-B brushes for $6. So the total here is $41.77, and I have my booster loaded of 8-pack when you spend $40, along with $19 in digital manufacturers coming off, $3 for each of those Gillette and Venus razors, 7 off 2 for the Dove, and a $3 for the Oral-B. With my debit card, I'm going to pay $22.77, get $8 back in Walgreens cash for the booster, and then $11 back in register rewards for this basket, $5 for the Gillette Venus, $3 for Dove, and then $3 for the Oral-B. So it makes it $3.77 for the 7 items, or 53 cents per, which is fantastic. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. And this is a really fantastic deal. I really recommend to pay attention to the math of the BOGO 50% off for the Gillette Venus. Just really pay attention to that, guys, because every market, the razors might fluctuate a little bit or a little bit less, but you got to make sure that your basket is at $40 for everything to balance. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.